Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, Bootstrap. On every application nowadays which is going to be having look and feel, how the beautification or web pages are going, along with the responsive, like multi-device operating systems are going nowadays, like taken a laptop, desktop or big screens and mini screens or tab. Wherever you are going, single application development, it will be complete all the requirements what you require. How it would be possible? It's a very simple technique. How, if you know how to apply Bootstrap in your web application, that is Django framework, it's very pretty easy. Watch the video.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss you and explain you something about adding Bootstrap on Django project. This is the beautification of the beautification which is coming nowadays, is an uptrending that scripting of the Bootstrap. The framework is give you the ready-made facilities what you are going to be have. Go to Google and type bootstrap.com and you will get the information about the Bootstrap. See, Bootstrap, get the bootstrap.com and hit enter. Now get bootstrap.com, the most popular HTML, CSS and JavaScript libraries. Now see, this is the window, it will be displayed. And now here you can go to the documentation. The beautification, you can observe how you can ready-madely, you can have in designs and all. You can simply applying the classes and objects, you will have in the designs. All right, now see here under the documentation, you find out here. These are the many components are available. And go to the cards view under the components. Under the components, there is a card is there. On left side menu, I'm hit the card. See the cards about it. I'm going to display you this image type of the cards. The products I want to display in the shopping cart is card title is there, some text is there, button for the paying for the button, and image of the card. How it will be, we will show how it can be possible to integrate. I can show you at the place of there, right? Yeah, recap. And now we are going to preparing like this model. Under this documentations, you go with this document and see here there is an option called new project, like a starter template. Seen here. And now there is a right side option is there, copy code. This is the freeware, you can copy it. Click copy and now you come back to our project and under the templates you go with the new file. It is a name called file. It is a name called base, base.html. You can create the base file like a HTML file name is base.html. Base file I'm going to creating it in a base file. Hit enter, paste the code what you have copied there. Paste the complete code here and copy over here. And now in this appropriately you need to do some little bit of slight modifications. For h1 tag you need to remove here because every form is having an identified by independent h1 tags. And after the body, you have to specify like a block content. To understand, for we are going to invoking the same Bootstrap code for all files. All right. Now, block space content, block content, and similarly with the end block, the percentile between you have to write for and ND and LOC end block. Okay, all right, save it. Now you can save it. This is the what you are going to be writing and having this information. Save this, and this base file, this base.html file, we are going to invoking to index.html. How it can be, I'll show you. The changes which is required for index.html to commonize. This is the Bootstrap and all the common files we are calling into this HTML base file, and these bootstrap files we are invoking to our main HTML form. How it is, we will see now. First of all, we need to using this command. This is the code line, braces open and end within the %. Here you need to write extends space, the name of the file, it is base.html. Extends space base.html. We are calling that HTML file to this index.html file. That is the first step we need to write here. And second one, this is the content. We have a prepared block content. No, this is the block of content we have prepared here. No, and the thing same here we need to write here. See here. Now what we need to write here now? Block content %, it's important. Within the %, we need to write block space content, and at the end of the after the UL, where the ending of the end of the line, we need to represent the end of the line of the block content. And below seek. That's it. Save this one and refresh the page once again. Now see, you will get an observation of the font changes on all the fonts which are going to be applicable here in our main page. Alright, that much very simple technique to involving Bootstrap to our these pages. How it is easy to involving our Bootstrap to our main project. Okay, I hope you understand. And the next things and the next step, we will see how to implement cards and look and feel the cards and all into the main HTML pages.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more information regarding these sessions, my contact details are available at description below. Thank you.